Hey guys, Ernest here. Today we're doing an unboxing of a couple of DC Multiverse action figures. One's Superman, the other one's Batman. Okay, let's start off with Superman first. Let's go ahead and open the box up. Okay, that's Superman out of the outer packaging. Let's go ahead and get him out of the box now. Okay, once you get the figure out, it comes along with a stand and also a Superman trading card. Okay, that's the action figure, Superman, outside the box and the plastic packaging. The figure's pretty detailed. I think it's released by McFarlane Toys. Okay, let's go ahead and put him on his stand. Okay, that's Superman standing on his stand now. Looks pretty impressive. I think there's about 22 points of articulation and movements. You can tilt his head forward. You can raise his arms, elbows, wrists, knees, his chest, as well as his ankles. Okay, last but not least in the pack was a Superman Justice League trading card. That's the front. You can see Henry Cavill. That's the back. Okay, next up we got Batman from the same DC Multiverse release. Let's go ahead and open this box up. So that's Batman out of the outer casing boxing, but still in the plastic wrapping. Let's go ahead and get Batman out of the pack. Batman comes with the stand as well. They've also got the Batman trading card too. Okay, that's Batman out of the plastic packaging. It comes with two knives, I'm guessing bat knives, and also a batarang. Pretty much similar to a boomerang, I guess. I'll go ahead and put him on the stand. Okay, that's Batman on his stand and all his weapons displayed. It kind of looks pretty neat, and I really love the finishing as well. Pretty smooth and highly detailed. Okay, last but not least, that's the trading card. That's the front. Okay, that's both Superman and Batman out of the box on their stands, ready to be displayed. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it.